Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide friend list on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open your Facebook application, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right. Okay, and then you need to click on the gear icon in the top right with the search, and then you need to scroll, and in privacy you simply need to click on privacy settings. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll, and here you can see the option of how people find and contacts you. The second one is who can see your friend list. Click on that option. As you can see that currently it is public. Then you need to click on see more, and then you need to click on only me. Okay, so now your friend list is hidden. So this is a process by which you can hide your friend list on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.